Hi everyone, welcome back to our Koso Kitchen. My name is Eriko. I'm a holistic nutritionist. Today, we are creating a healthier version of a popular Japanese custard pudding, elevated with our signature Ars Koso fermented whole food drink. This silky smooth dessert combined classic comfort with gut healthy benefit. Let's talk about why this dessert is special. This custard pudding is sweetened with Ars Koso, which contains more than 100 fermented whole foods. It supports digestive health and nutrient absorption. It also helps maintain healthy blood sugar level and promote the body's natural detoxification process. It's rich in probiotics and postbiotics that support our gut health and support immune system function. To make this postbiotics Japanese custard pudding, you need half cup of milk of your choice, 1 large egg, half tablespoon of brown sugar, 1 tablespoon of Ars Koso or 2 teaspoons of Ars Koso lower sugar. You can use any milk you like. The oat milk creates a creamy texture with added fiber. Almond milk is lower in calorie, rich in vitamin E. Soy milk is high in protein. It's perfect for plant-based diet. And coconut milk creates an indulgent tropical twist. It's so simple to make. Gently whisk the egg in a bowl. Eggs are a complete protein source, providing all the essential amino acids your body needs. Combine milk and brown sugar with egg. Transfer the mixture to a pot and warm it gently to about 70 Celsius degrees. Pour the warm mixture into a serving cup. Place them in a larger pot with water. Bring the water to a gentle boil. Then immediately turn off the heat. This gentle cooking method helps preserve the nutrient in both the milk and egg. Cover the pot and let pudding steam for 10 minutes. This pudding is more than just a dessert. It's a wellness boost in disguise. Each serving provides protein from eggs, postbiotics and prebiotics from Ars Koso. Consider enjoying this pudding as a post-workout for protein replenishment, as a gut-healthy breakfast option, before bed for better digestion, or during seasonal changes to support immune health. Whether you choose Ars Koso original or lower sugar version, this postbiotic Japanese custard pudding is a delicious way to support your wellness journey. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with fellow health-conscious dessert lovers. Visit our website to learn more about Ars Koso and its amazing benefit. Thank you for watching. See you again soon. Bye.